Imagine a world where the barrier between your creative vision and its cinematic realization is almost non-existent, where the process of crafting compelling videos, once reserved for the highly skilled and technically savvy, is now accessible to anyone regardless of experience. Welcome to the new age of video editing, a revolution ignited by artificial intelligence. Over the past year, the landscape has shifted dramatically, and today, a suite of AI-powered tools is rewriting the rules of what's possible for creators, filmmakers, marketers, and everyday storytellers. At the heart of this transformation is Google's Veo 3, a tool that launched in May 2025 and instantly became a beacon for what the future of video editing could look like. Veo 3 doesn't just help you edit videos, it creates them from scratch, all from a simple text prompt. Imagine typing a serene sunrise over the ocean, gentle waves rolling, birds flying in the distance, and watching as Veo 3 generates a stunning photorealistic video complete with synchronized audio. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of video generation in 2025. But Veo 3 isn't alone in this revolution. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha, released in March 2025, empowers users to create 10-second video clips from text, images, or existing videos. The promise of this technology goes even further. Soon, creators will be able to generate longer, more photorealistic clips, opening entirely new avenues for storytelling, social media content, advertising, and beyond. Gen 3 Alpha's interface is designed for speed and simplicity, lowering the technical threshold so that artistic expression is no longer dictated by access to high-end equipment or years of training. These AI tools are not confined to new platforms alone. Established industry leaders are rapidly integrating AI to supercharge their offerings. DaVinci Resolve 20, launched in May 2025, is a prime example. This latest version introduced over 100 new features, with powerful AI capabilities leading the charge. Among the standout innovations are AI IntelliScript, a feature that automatically generates scripts, voiceovers, and even suggests edits based on the content of your footage, and AI animated subtitles, which not only transcribe dialogue, but also animate subtitles to match the mood and pacing of each scene. The result? Editors can focus on creative choices rather than tedious technical details, accelerating workflow and expanding the potential of every project. Adobe, too, is making bold moves with its Firefly video model, unveiled in October 2024. Firefly leverages years of advancements in generative AI to enable users to produce entire videos from text prompts. Adobe's approach is competitive with OpenAI's Sora and Meta's suite of video tools, ensuring that the race for AI supremacy in video editing remains fierce. Firefly doesn't just make video generation possible, it makes it intuitive, flexible, and deeply integrated with Adobe's ecosystem, from Premiere Pro to After Effects. This means that even complex, multi-layered production can be streamlined, with generative AI handling everything from scene transition to lighting adjustments and even music scoring. One to share. Filmora 14, released in late 2024, rounds out the field with updates to its AI features, making it easier than ever for users to access professional-grade editing tools. Filmora's latest AI-powered enhancements include automatic scene detection, smart background music selection, and intelligent color grading, all delivered in a user-friendly interface that appeals to hobbyists and professionals alike. The result is a democratization of video editing. Anyone with a vision can now bring it to life with just a few clicks. This explosion of AI capabilities isn't just a technological upgrade. It's a paradigm shift. Video editing, which once demanded hours of painstaking work, highly specialized knowledge, and expensive software, is now being revolutionized by algorithms that can handle the heavy lifting. AI can scan footage, identify key moments, suggest creative edits, generate original music, and even craft entire scripts and storyboards. The implications are profound. Creators can iterate faster, experiment with new ideas, and produce polished content at a fraction of the time and cost previously required. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. The democratization of content creation has raised significant ethical questions, particularly around deepfakes and copyright. As these tools become more powerful, the potential for misuse grows. The industry is responding by building safeguards into platforms, including watermarking technology, stricter content moderation, and enhanced transparency regarding how AI-generated content is produced. The goal is to strike a balance, fostering innovation while maintaining trust and integrity in the digital media ecosystem. Let's look closer at how these AI game changers are transforming workflows in real time. Consider the process of storyboarding, which traditionally required hours of sketching, planning, and editing. Today, AI-powered film production tools like LTX Studio can instantly generate storyboards from text descriptions, allowing producers to visualize entire scenes before a single frame is shot. This not only saves time, but also enables more dynamic collaboration among teams, as ideas can be tested and refined instantaneously. For content creators, the impact is even more pronounced. Imagine a small business owner who wants to launch a marketing campaign but lacks the skills or budget for professional video editing. With VO3, they can input a product description and desired mood, and the AI will generate a polished promotional video, complete with background music and narration. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha offers similar functionality, allowing creators to remix existing footage or generate entirely new clips with ease. The result is a level playing field where creativity, not resources, determines success. The subscription models for these tools are also evolving. For example, access to Google's VO3 is now available for as little as $12.99 per month, making cutting-edge AI video generation affordable for individuals and small teams. Canva, another popular platform, has integrated VO3 into its suite, offering seamless design-to-video workflows for creators who value simplicity and speed. This convergence of AI and accessibility is fueling a new wave of innovation, as more people experiment with video storytelling than ever before. The ripple effects are being felt across industries. In education, teachers are using AI video generators to create engaging lessons and tutorials, customizing content for different learning styles and age groups. In healthcare, training simulations and patient education videos are being produced in record time, improving outcomes and reducing costs. In entertainment, indie filmmakers are using AI to compete with big studios, producing short films, trailers, and even feature-length projects with minimal crews and budgets. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of this revolution is the way it's changing how stories are told. AI enables rapid prototyping, allowing creators to test ideas, iterate on feedback, and refine their narratives without the constraints of traditional production cycles. This agility is giving rise to new genres and formats as creators explore interactive videos, personalized content, and immersive experiences that respond to viewer input in real time. The technology is still evolving, and the future promises even more breakthroughs. Developers are working on AI models that can generate longer, more complex videos, complete with realistic human movement, nuanced facial expressions, and dynamic lighting. Soon, we may see tools that can simulate entire film sets, adjust camera angles on the fly, and even direct actors in virtual environments. The line between reality and imagination is blurring, and the possibilities are limited only by our creativity. Of course, success in this new era requires more than just access to powerful tools. It demands a willingness to experiment, learn, and adapt. The best creators are those who embrace AI not as a replacement for human ingenuity, but as a collaborator, an accelerant for their ideas. They use AI to handle the repetitive tasks, freeing themselves to focus on the storytelling, emotion, and connection with their audience. To get started with these AI tools, the process is surprisingly simple. Most platforms offer intuitive interfaces, guided tutorials, and community support to help users learn the basics. Whether you're working with Veo 3, Gen 3 Alpha, Firefly, or Filmora, you'll find that the learning curve is shallow and the rewards immediate. Begin by exploring the text-to-video features. Type a description, select a style, and watch as the AI brings your vision to life. Experiment with editing tools, fine-tune your scenes, and share your creations with the world. As you gain confidence, delve deeper into advanced features like AI-assisted color grading, sound design, and motion graphics. Use AI storyboard generators to map out your narrative and tap into integrated libraries of music, effects, and stock footage. Collaborate with others in real time, leveraging cloud-based tools to synchronize edits and feedback across teams and locations. The result is a creative process that's faster, smarter, and more collaborative than ever before. You'll be able to produce videos for social media, marketing, education, or entertainment at a pace that keeps up with your ideas. And as the technology continues to improve, the quality and realism of AI-generated content will only get better. Looking ahead, the industry is poised for even greater disruption. The convergence of AI with other technologies, such as augmented reality, virtual reality, and real-time 3D rendering, will unlock entirely new modes of expression. Imagine creating immersive experiences where viewers can step inside your story, interact with characters, and shape the outcome. Or picture a future where AI not only generates videos, but also analyzes audience reaction, optimizing content for engagement and impact. But with these opportunities come new challenges. As AI-generated content proliferates, distinguishing between real and synthetic media will become increasingly difficult. Platforms are investing in authentication technologies, digital watermarks, and ethical guidelines to ensure transparency and accountability. Creators, too, will need to stay informed about best practices, respecting copyright, privacy, and the rights of others. Ultimately, the AI game changer in video editing is more than just a collection of powerful tools. It's a catalyst for creativity, innovation, and expression. It empowers individuals to tell their stories, share their knowledge, and connect with audiences in ways that were once unimaginable. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a first-time creator, the future of video editing is here, and it's more accessible, intelligent, and inspiring than ever. So, what does this mean for you? It means that your ideas matter. Your vision can become reality, faster and more easily than you ever thought possible. The age of AI-powered video editing is just beginning, and you have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this revolution. Explore the tools, experiment with new formats, and push the boundaries of your creativity. With AI as your collaborator, the only limit is your imagination. Welcome to the new era. Welcome to the AI game changer in video editing. The future is yours to create.